Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, we will see how to use live wallpaper on desktop for free. We will see a collection of live wallpaper from where we can download for absolutely for free and we can use on our desktop. So first of all, what you need to do is to download an application from Microsoft Store. The application name is Lively Wallpaper. As you can see here, I have already installed this wallpaper, so I will open it directly. So my application is open now. I can use one of those already available wallpapers. Some of the wallpaper have been added by me, or we can download new wallpaper as per our wish. So we'll go to a browser, then we will search for pexels.com. From here we can select videos, and let's say I will search for mountains. So there are a number of videos we can see of mountains. Let's say we want to use this one. We can preview the video, then we can click on free download. So we have a download here. Once the download will be completed, we'll see how to use this. So let's go to folder where to see whether it is downloaded or not. So we have got our video downloaded. Now we'll go to Lively Wallpaper app. We'll click on this plus sign. Then maybe you can also use the URL directly, or you can use the downloaded video. So let's say I will be using the downloaded video here. You can describe author name, website, and so on, so on. I will skip all those. So we have got our video, and if I click here, and I will minimize all the windows, and you can see I have already got my video here. So in this way, you can download numerous videos from pexels.com absolutely for free, and you can make your desktop a more vibrant. Now for removing this video, for example, if we go on personalize, and we suppose we want to use some of the available, see here it didn't get changed, so we have to go on our previous app, Lively Wallpaper. You need to click here, then we have to click on this cross button, then OK. Now if it is closed, you can see we can get our selected wallpaper here. You can change, now you can change your wallpaper from here, and it should work as previous. So in this way you can add a live wallpaper for your desktop, and you can also delete it if you don't like it after a period of time, and it's as per your choice. Thank you for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you liked this video.